How to find buy now, pay later options when buying on Nike.com. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are providing you with a step-by-step tutorial you can follow up to use that. So let's just dive right into the video. So first of all, we can add specific products to our cart. Head over to Nike.com and look out for a specific product that you would like to add to cart. Once the items are added to your cart, we can go to checkout. So go to this cart option in the top right corner to head over to the checkout page. That will directly open up the checkout page here. Now from this section, what we need to do is basically go ahead and scroll to the payment section. So within this page, you can cut for promo code, subtotal, estimated tax, etc. and go to this option called checkout. After that, you can directly scroll to the payment page, and on the payment page, Nike will show all the accepted payment options, which are some of these. So you may go ahead and look out for Klarna, Jeff, Affirm, etc. These appear if they are supported in your regions, and you can tap on the BNPL method that you want to use and follow other provider steps. And Nike only shows these if they're available for your order in your country. You can just go over and use it up in order to use as a payment method for you. And that is it, everybody. If you want to find BNPL payment options on Nike.com, you can go over shop first of all, and you can directly look out for it on your payment section page. So we hope this video was helpful to you. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.